.NET 10 just introduced a major change. You can now run C# without a csproj file. This is huge. It brings C# closer to Node.js and Python, and it's a long time coming in my opinion. Now you can use C# more like a scripting language without having to worry about a whole framework. So let's see how this works. So here I'm gonna start by creating an App.cs file. So we're gonna keep it simple. I'm only gonna have console.oops.write line, and I'm gonna say hello, .NET 10 and C# 14. And here's where the magic happens. All we need to do is run it. So we go .NET run, give it the name of the file, and boom, hello, .NET 10 and C# 14. There you go. So no csproj file. All you need to do is run your file. What if we have a package though? So say I want to add something like cowsay. So this is a script that I love using. I've used in a lot of demos in my Python stuff, but they have a NuGet package as well, equivalent here for .NET. Well, I say equivalent, but actually in Python it's quite easy. You just add the package and you go cowsay, and then you got a cow that says stuff. But in .NET it's a little bit more complicated, not too bad, but a bit weird. So I'm gonna use a static cow, which just means I get to give it text, and then we have that cool little cow on the screen. I just noticed it says cow eyes. I didn't know there was an option. So I guess we can replace the cow eyes. Okay, we'll give that a go. So first thing I need to do is add that package in, right? So how do I add a package? With this new syntax. So you go hashtag column and then say package and then give your package name. In this case, cowsay. And then I'm gonna go using cowsay. Now I need to build my static cow. This is just the cowsay package, right? And like I said, in .NET, I don't know, this is so weird. Default cattle farmer, yeah. Wow, farmer dot rear cow with defaults. Like what? Were these guys on when they named this stuff? Okay, I get that they're trying to be funny, but that's a mouthful to remember, isn't it? And then, okay, and then we just go static cow dot say. So instead of just giving the string, we put it through static cow dot say, and that's that. So now if you run it again, remember all we need to do to run is give the file name. That's it. And we run it, then hopefully we'll have a cow. Let's see. Yeah, cow right here. Hello, .NET 10 and C# 14. Out of curiosity, let me replace the cow eyes. Let's see, since I saw there was an option. How was it up? Oh, it's just a named argument. Okay, so cow eyes. I don't know. Money. Let's just go with that. Did I save it? Yes. Now we run it again. Let's clear this, getting a bit messy. So .NET run app.cs, and yes, we got money, crazy cow, saying hello, .NET 10 and C# 14. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, pretty easy, and pretty cool. I'll leave this code on my GitHub. Feel free to get it from there if you want to play around. The link is in the description. If you learned something new today, please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.